Adding responses to your notifications allows recipients to reply accurately to notifications and take action on the event in one simple step. Responses can be customized for different device types, making it easy for users to read and select a reply, regardless of how they were notified. This example send alert form lets users respond with two options: acknowledge, which will end the event, or escalate, which will immediately notify the next user in the notification chain. We can customize the text and voice prompts the user will see in each of the different boxes. Response is the text that will appear in the button displayed to the user in the email or push notification. As a text message, this response will be assigned a number that the user can use to select this response. Email description adds a description under the response. This can be used to clarify the action that this response will have. Voice prompt responses will be read to the user using a text-to-speech engine followed by a number, allowing the users to select that response. You can click the gear icon to record your own message, or select from a pre-existing recording if you have one. If you want to change the number assigned to a response, click the number at the end and change it to a new touch tone number. Options allows you to customize the action taken when a user selects this response. Click the Action dropdown and select what effect this response will have on the event. You can mouse over an action for a detailed description. Contribution has no effect on the event, but rather determines how the response will be recorded for reporting and evaluation purposes. Adding a URL redirect will send the user to a defined URL when they select this response from a compatible device. You can use this option to direct users to the next step in an incident management toolchain, such as a chat room or a service desk ticket. You can configure responses to allow users to comment when they respond to notifications from their email or the xMatters app. This ability lets users provide additional details or context with their responses. You can enable comments from individual responses from the options menu, or for all responses from the bottom of the response list. The API button allows you to retrieve the unique identifier for this response option, which can be used to identify that response when using the xMatters REST API. This can be used in integrations and can potentially trigger actions or record data in external systems. Click Create Response to add a new response, and use the small X beside a response to delete it. When you're done creating responses, you can use the Preview button to see how your response options will look as an email, SMS, or in the xMatters mobile app.